My friends in the Western Pacific, Tropical Storm Bailu still intensifying out here towards the east of Luzon. It really has plenty of inflow coming into it. You can see that center of the convection here on this infrared imagery just continuing to blow up. So still a tropical storm, but over the course of the next 72 hours, I would not be surprised if this becomes a typhoon. Take a look at some of these actually sea surface temperatures across this area, well over 30 degrees, which is just this warm bath water. Allow this storm system to intensify. Latest from JTWC does max it out at 75 up to 90 knots. Coming on shore there in southern Taiwan. Yeah, really right front quadrant out there around the Hulian area. That's in southeastern Taiwan. Probably going to get impacted the worst by this if it stays on the current track. But you still see that this is actually several days out. Of course, that center of circulation could waver a bit here, but I think we could take the Philippines out of being the question of being impacted directly by this. Indirectly, well, there is still a possibility there, and I'll get to that in a second. Right side of the storm, though, definitely going to be coming on shore, and I would not be surprised if we see rainfall totals over the 1,000-millimeter mark there in central locations of Taiwan because of those mountains. They have that tendency to squeeze out moisture, and every time it just brings in a tremendous amount of precipitation. Ishigaki and Miyako-jima also going to be impacted by this, but likely lower-end typhoon, tropical storm strength winds. And for my friends in Okinawa, you're going to be on the northern fringes of it. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to be breezy, but not expecting those damaging winds with this storm system. Let's pull back the picture, though, and as I mentioned earlier, you got that moisture inflow really helping to intensify this storm, and that is bringing this amount of precipitation here across the Philippines. This is actually over the next 96 hours. You got that inflow coming in, and I mean, we got some locations here, a few hundred millimeters of rain, so definitely that threat of flooding just due to the western flow here coming across Luzon down towards Visayas, and also, of course, northeastern Luzon because of the bulk of that moisture just kind of clipping the Apari area off into that direction as well. Of course, a lot happening here with this storm system. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know. But also do check out the Pacific Typhoon Season Facebook page. I also post this video quite there often, and they have a lot more updates than what I can provide here. I'm rather busy as of late, so just don't have the time to continue to track stuff out here in the Western Pacific. So yeah, go check that out. Just look up Pacific Typhoon Season on Facebook, and it's a lot of people there, a lot of smart people putting stuff together. Anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe out there.